A desk is a core part of any home office or PC gaming setup, so it's important to choose the right one. Not only will it set the tone of your setup with the shape and color, but it will also house all the other parts of the setup too. We have tried a lot of different styles of desks, and today we will try one more. This isn't a typical desk though. It has a really unique feature to it. Stick around and we'll show you just what it is. This is the Veritas Desk from Hulala Home. It's a 360-degree rotating desk that's also an electrically adjustable standing desk. We are currently in the middle of packing up our house to move to our new house, so we decided to place this desk in front of my beautiful bookshelves near our kitchen and living room instead of squeezing it into the office. I think it looks really nice with all the wood tones here. It's pretty fun to play around with where in the house you place your desk. You never quite know what will stick. Anyway, back to the desk features. While standing desks are pretty popular nowadays, the 360-degree rotation is definitely not. It leaves the desk with a unique feature to turn it from a normal-looking single desk into an extended or even L-shaped desk for much more surface area. As the name suggests, it can swivel out 360 degrees, round and round, no matter which side you sit on. It's pretty much a 2-for-1, and it works pretty well too. It has a bit of a gap between the main desk, which means that you can leave notebooks or similar smaller devices on the desk without moving them when not in use. It's a creative way to incorporate more space into your office without having to commit to it full time. This is helpful in smaller spaces, especially if you just need extra space here and there, perhaps for a hobby, meeting clients, or adding an extra screen on there while streaming. I must say, it works really well, and I love the extra space it gives, especially alongside the ease of moving it around. However, while it is tucked underneath the main desk, it does eat into your legroom space quite a lot, which I'm not the biggest fan of. If I were to use this desk as my main setup, I would keep it partially extended at all times to maximize legroom and desk space. As mentioned, this desk is a standing desk too, and it has a smooth adjustment between sitting and standing modes with a simple press of a button. It feels solid and can definitely hold the weight of your peripherals even when extended all the way up. The control panel lets you move the desk up and down, select one of 3 preset heights, plus see the current height of the desk setup too. There is an additional feature here as well, which is the sedentary reminder, which can be adjusted between 0 and 2 hours. This is really helpful if you work in front of your desk all day and easily forget to stretch and move around. The reminder will let you know that it's time to move around, which also is the perfect time to raise the desk into standing mode for a bit. The desk thankfully has plenty of storage too, which is always helpful for organizing and also keeping the top of your desk free from clutter. There are several under-desk drawers with plenty of space for cords, pens, notebooks, and headphones. To the side of the desk are more drawers, plus an additional hidden drawer that's accessible from both sides of the desk. The top of the desk has a flip-top power panel with built-in outlets for easy charging of your devices while keeping everything looking sleek. We love good cable management, and this really streamlines that. As mentioned before, the desk is very sturdy. The main desk itself, without including the L shape, can hold up to 200 pounds and is 63 inches wide and 28.75 inches deep. That's a really good size for a desk, especially considering you get extra surface area when the desk is rotated and accessible. When it's in an L shape, the desk is around 67.75 inches wide and 58.75 inches deep. If you prefer one really long desk, it can be fully extended straight on with a width of 98.5 inches and a depth of 28.75 inches. That's a lot of desk. The Veritas desk comes in 2 colors, acorn and oak, depending on whether you prefer a darker or lighter look to your desk. It costs around $2,500, but is currently on sale for $2,000 on Hulala Home's website, so definitely take a look if this feels like a new upgrade for your office. We're curious, would you want your desk to rotate 360 degrees, or do you prefer a straight one? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you again to Hulala Home for sending us the Veritas Desk for review and sponsoring today's video. You can find more info on it below. And thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking this video as it helps us out a lot, and subscribe to the channel for more setup content like this. We also post daily short form content here on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram, and on TikTok at CamXPetra. You can find a list of everything that we use in our setups throughout our house on our website, CamXPetra.com. Until next time, bye.